Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I'm actually not going to look at Bitcoin. I'm going to look at IBIT, but I want to start here. We're looking here, you look here on the weekly chart, and you can see how this stock has been, or the chart, has been in a kind of a growing volatility squeeze for much of this year. And then it finally just broke out last week in a really, really cool move. I got a text and a Skype from my buddy Scott McGregor at Crypto Market Mentor saying like, "Hey man, we're we're moving, we're up," and all that. And so anyway, bottom line is this has been a heck of a move. You look at it on the daily chart and you can see we got a move like above 70 that stayed. And then we've kept going. And today we were actually up above 92. So this is what the daily chart looks like. Really nice, right? So now we look at the quote tracking ETF, IBIT, and this is my box here. And we can see this runs up here and then has kind of a pretty nasty close where it really opened pretty flat and then traded up from the open about almost 4.5%, but then it couldn't hold. So it traded back down and closed really just about right dead balls on the low of the day. This is the 13th here. This is our daily, our trading range here. And so this has been a complete reversal. Now I'm talking short term, but short term is all that matters right now if I'm thinking about buying or selling a stock. If you look at this, it's been above 2 standard deviations. These are the upper Bollinger Band here for the past several trading days, like 6 trading days in a row, this thing's closed above there. Well, at some point, that move is going to run its course, and I really kind of feel like it has today. So my suggestion is if you're long IBIT, I'm not. I'm long something else. But if you're long IBIT, I think it's a good time for you to take some off the table or even close a position. I had drawn this a couple days ago, telling members, look, if you see this kind of a move, a extended box down like this is a 3-day reversal, then you really need to get out of the stock. Now, will we get here tomorrow? I don't know, but this is what I'm seeing. I'm looking at MicroStrategy, double your fund, MSTX, where we did get this really gap up, kind of a gap and crap bearish engulfing pattern. So when I see these like proxies or derivatives for Bitcoin moving lower while Bitcoin is still moving higher, all that's telling me is that there was a lot of money coming into the equity aspect of this, the stocks, the ETFs, and now that money's kind of run its course, so these aren't finding bids. So you just kind of have to decide whether you want to be investing or trading. My suspicion is because of the volatility, you're probably trading, and you should. I would have taken profits on this, or do as I've done, sell out of the money calls on Mystics here. There's no options on IBIT, but the volatility is so high on Mystics that you can, as long as you got some kind of profit in the ETF, you can be selling out of the money calls till the cows come home, and ultimately you're going to have like a negative cost basis in the stock. It's really has a lot of implied volatility, and it's kind of fun trading options on it. So that's all I got for you today, and that means that I will see you tomorrow.